I'm Hazel from Assisting You Virtually. Thank you for coming. I, as Sandra said, have 2 boys, 9 and 2, and a husband and friends, family, everybody else, business, bill paying, lots of things that I have to juggle each and every day. Just the same as just about everybody else in the audience and around at the expo. Now, one thing that I realised after 20 years of admin, 9 years of juggling family life and friends, that I needed to make a change. And I wondered how I was going to do that. And I decided that it was time for me to look after myself and take responsibility for what I needed to change rather than expecting someone else to do it for me. So, for example, this afternoon, I know that when I leave this place, I've got at least 6 things that I'm going to have to go and do. And unless I prioritise them, there's no way they're going to all get done. Now, how many of you have got at least 1, maybe 2, probably even more to handle as soon as you leave this place? As soon as you have children, that becomes even more. You know, I mean, I've got 3 children at home. I've got a husband as well. So trying to juggle 3 of them is very difficult. Now, one of the things that I realised was my 2-year-old the other day was playing a Wiggles CD, and I thought they were busy listening to juggling. And I sat there and I listened to him, and I wanted to bring him with me today because he sounded so cute, because he was following what they were doing. And unfortunately, I didn't bring my juggling balls today because they took them out of the bag. So all I have are some marshmallows to try and juggle. Now, these are courtesy of the Women's Platform W stand, which is around the corner opposite the champagne stand. So everybody go and visit because you can dip them in the chocolate. So it's fun. And they're also one of my clients, so you know they can vouch for how hard I work for them and try and help them juggle. Now, one of the things that Wiggles was doing was actually juggling 1 ball. Everyone can do that. Juggling 2 balls. Everybody can do that. All of a sudden, they were juggling 3 balls, and they all fell. Because that is what happens with everybody's lives. There aren't very many people that can actually, you know, have the capacity to actually juggle more than 2 balls. Unless you decide to change your attitude and the way that you see your life. And that was one thing that suddenly occurred to me. I needed to be able to juggle more than 3 balls. I was working, I had a son, a husband, paying bills, doing all these things, and I suddenly thought to myself, I can't do this anymore. I need to leave my job and try and work out a way I can have a work-life balance, which is what I did in 2006. And I created my own business to give me the work-life balance that I sought. And subsequently, I know that I've given that work-life balance to a lot of other small businesses and individuals. The biggest thing that you have to do is decide what you want. And I'm not a business coach, I'm not a personal coach, I'm not trying to be something that I'm not. But what I'm trying to do is explain how I got over the fact that I wasn't coping with all the balls I had to throw in the air. And what I needed to do was work out, do I want to be stressed anymore? Because my whole life was spent being totally and utterly stressed. Could I spend time with my child on school holidays? Could I take time off if he was sick? Could I do all these things while I was working? Now that I own my own business, I make the time for me. I make the time for my son, I make the time for my family, I make the time for my friends. And there are 3 questions that suddenly occurred to me, which probably have occurred to a lot of people. I want to have work, I have a business, but I want work life as well. And how many of us have often thought about the fact that we want both? How do we do it? Then, I still need time and want to spend time with my family, my friends. My parents are interstate, so I don't spend a lot of time with them anyway. But family and friends are very important to me, they always have been. And to be able to spend time with them, if it's once a month or whatever, it has to be fitted into your time schedule. And the one thing that I want more than anything else, and I'm sure that every other female in this room feels exactly the same way, especially if you're a mother, is time for me. And I ask you, how many people actually get time for you? Personally, not very many. And I've decided that once every day I'm now spending at least 5 minutes. That's just time for me. Not that I'm driving somewhere, not that I'm doing anything. If I get a cup of coffee and a magazine or something, and I just sit down for 5 minutes.